My daughter is not working, but she can speak tongue twister better than me. Can I speak tongue twister 3 times fast with my daughter? Let's see. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jharna, and today I will practice tongue twister. Let's start. Where are you, my little teacher? Do you know I will practice tongue twister with you today?
Now I will be the coach and I will judge all your tongue twisters. But the tongue twister for today is Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Should we start now?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so excited to practice because it is very good to speak fast and clear. That's why I'm so interested to practice.
The first one is Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, then where are the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Now it's your turn.
It sounds so difficult.
Don't worry, I will correct any mistake you would make.
Okay, I'm going to try. Okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of picked peppers.
Wait, I found a mistake. It's not pick, it's peck.
I'm saying okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Well, you did so great on this. Only one mistake so far.
Okay.
Well, Mom, now let us choose our next tongue twister. Our next tongue twister is I scream, you scream.
I scream, you scream.
Not like that, not like that. Let me tell you what to say for the tongue twister. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
You scream, I scream, we are all for scream ice cream.
Yeah, that's when I like it so much.
Okay.
Now, our next tongue twister is red lorry, yellow lorry. Let me tell you what to say in this.
Okay.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, daddy draws doors. Itter bitter, the big bug bit the beetle.
Okay. Red lorry, yellow lorry, daddy draws door, eater bitter big bog bit the beetle.
Not beetle, beetle.
Beetle.
Yeah, I could kind of say it faster.
Okay, I'm going to try again.
Okay, let's same one again. Now you got 2 mistakes.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, daddy draws door, eater bitter big bog bit the beetle.
Yeah. Well, the next one is which.
Which.
That's getting a little more complicated. Yeah.
Which.
Yeah. You were saying it right, but let's now try a different tongue twister.
Okay.
The next tongue twister will be a little hard, but this time this tongue twister trains you of the S and SH sounds.
Okay.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Sally sell seashells by seashore.
Well, you got it right this time. Now let's do fuzzy wuzzy.
Okay.
Now let me tell you what to say in this. It might be a little long, but I'm sure you could do this. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fluffy. Was he fluffy?
Okay, I'm trying to say. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was not very fuzzy, was he?
Well, you did great this time. You still got 5 mistakes, but you're doing so great.
Okay.
This challenge.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was not very fuzzy, was he? Then last time.
Yeah.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was not very fuzzy, was he? I did.
Yeah, you did it completely. Tell us in the comment section below which tongue twister is your favorite. And also tell us how many tongue twisters did you get correct. And if you like this video and you think this video was very helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.